I have with me Mr. Deepak Kapoor and Yukti Nagpal, directors for Gulshan Group. Deepak ji, a very warm welcome. Thank you for speaking to Realty Plus. Yukti, it's always nice to be with you and talk to you about what's happening in the Delhi NCR real estate. So welcome to Realty Plus, both of you. So Deepak ji, I would like to start with you. Delhi NCR, as I just spoke, lot of, especially Noida, Greater Noida, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, चाहे आप रोड ले ले, कनेक्टिविटी ले ले, फ्लाईओवर्स ले ले, जेवर एयरपोर्ट इज कमिंग नाउ, एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउसिंग, हर कोई प्राइस की बात करता है. सो विद ऑल दिस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, हाउ इज हाउसिंग रेजिडेंशियल प्राइसिंग पॉइंट कैसे चेंज हो रहा है? डू यू थिंक इट्स देयर आर चेंजेस हैपनिंग इन दैट?
आपने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जहाँ पे अच्छा होना शुरू होता है, when there is a growing infrastructure, that city grows leaps and bounds, and the growth is 360 degrees. Not only for residential real estate, but for commercial real estate and other segments of real estate as well. Since we dominate into the residential real estate, so I'll talk about residential real estate. What happens is कि with the infrastructure like the roads, expressways, now the latest is Jewar, connectivity is the key to any city development. That's number one. Once the connectivity is great, the approach going in and going out, ingress and egress is very smooth. So this is what any population will look for. Next, cohesiveness. Cohesiveness comes from a different tangents of segments available in the city. Something like residential development, commercial development, educational institution, places of work, so that you don't have to travel far for all these amenities. So education is also equally important. Factory is talking that everything is very important. So the ecosystem, when you see, is developed, coupled with the infrastructure, so the prices are likely to rise. Why? Because the population prefer to be staying there, working there, shopping there, going there for entertainment. So all the classes take advantage, and definitely the pricing goes a little up. When pricing, the pricing going little up, sometime it is good, sometime it is bad. Why? But it provides a stagnation also of the real estate development. So the going concern should need a stable price rise for the better longevity of the state as well as for the real estate development flow. So I believe with this infrastructure rising, Noida and Greater Noida see a very good positivity in the market, and which is acknowledged all across. What we say is that the kind of green cover Noida has provided, you seldom see anywhere, if not seen. So there are rolling greens, there are roads, there are service roads, there is a metro, the rapid railway is also starting. So a lot of activities in terms of connectivity and reaching different places is happening. So it is becoming a good hub for people to eye on it, and people have started coming, staying, working and investing in the same state.
Correct. So one is the connectivity. Second is the social infrastructure, as you said, चाहे school हो गया, hospital हो गया, malls हो गया. So social infrastructure is there. It's a well-planned city. Like you said, there is greenery, there are well-planned sectors here. And pricing की जो आपने बात की कि बढ़ रहे हैं, but there has to be a stability in the pricing. Especially अगर residential की बात करें तो. Now within this entire scenario, Yukti, how are you positioning Gulshan Group when it comes to Noida, Greater Noida segment?
So Gulshan Group has also evolved like Noida has in the last few years. As you know the history, Gulshan used to be a household name building row housing in East Delhi. तब हमारा brand popular होता था गुलशन की कोठी. फिर वहाँ से हम migrate हुए into group housing, and our first benchmark there was Vaishali. वहाँ वैशाली से we moved on to Indrapuram, and from Indrapuram then to Noida. So Gulshan's journey has also been very gradual, from a household name to now a national name. So how we position Gulshan is how our customers are willing to see us. They believe that we can develop luxury spaces, be it in residential or in commercial front. They believe that we understand what is the responsibility a developer carries in the market, and thus with their support, with their help, with their constant encouragement, I think Gulshan has successfully positioned itself as one of the luxurious builders of Noida, and in the next few months I think it will be one of the most luxurious developers in North India. So this is where Gulshan has positioned us and not the other way around. So I'm very grateful for the ecosystem that we have been given, the platform, the support of the customers that we've received in the last 35 years. It has enabled us to position us where we are today.
From Gulshan Ki Koti to now Gulshan Group and the luxury residences, we will come to the next step also in the next question. But yes, अगर गुलशन ग्रुप की बात की जाए तो yes, गुलशन ग्रुप is known for luxury residential
Yes.
developments, and that is how Gulshan Group is positioning itself also.
Yes.
But Deepak ji, when we are talking about developers now, we are seeing a lot of pan-India developers now, who are going into other segments. South developers now entering into North market or West market. Similarly, from North, we have DLF going into other cities. Delhi NCR, when you see all these pan-India developers now coming into that, so how is it the play for the local developers? Are you saying there is some kind of a growing competition, or is it some kind of synergies happening between the developers? So how are you seeing this entire market play happening?
Well, I believe that the movement of national players to Noida is a welcoming gesture, because it is a stamp that Noida is the market for the real estate today. It is a stamp that Noida has got a great potential, so which has been acknowledged by national players. Earlier they were not there, but now they are here. So as far as the Gulshan is concerned, I think we are on a very strong foothold. We have got nothing to worry. Every brand has their ethos, has their concept, has their USP. They will always remain with that brand. Nobody can take it away. Gulshan in Noida is synonymous with not only quality, luxury, but also after-sale service and a very strong consumer connect. Very strong consumer connect. So which a player of a larger size, they find it difficult to penetrate to that level. So we have got a very strong penetration. So we will continue to enjoy that penetration. Second thing is that every developer has got their offering. So when it comes to Gulshan, our offerings are unique, and you will be surprised to know that many of the developers, they follow us in terms of whatever the unique offerings we offer. You will find those are being
Copied.
or we considered it very well. It's good. Anything good, we also copy it, and there's nothing wrong in it. But it needs to be positioned in the right perspective, in the right size, in the right way, as we plan it, as we envisage it. So I find Gulshan has got a very strong foothold. We will continue to do what we wish to do, and as such, there is always that we don't do much project, so our expansion is little slow. We have a very strong foothold, and we do 2 and 3 projects at one time, and we continue to enjoy till they are delivered in the right perspective to the end consumer, and then we move forward. So I find that everybody will have their space, we'll have our own space.
So great, like you rightly mentioned, Gulshan Group focuses more on quality rather than quantity, or copying is a form of flattery if others are copying your offerings, especially after sales service, as you mentioned. It's a very unique offering by Gulshan Group, or like you mentioned, a lot of customers identify with Gulshan Group, and I think that is the advantage which any local developer has, because unka, you have a brand name, you have a recall value with the local population. So a pan India player probably has something difficulty to probably create a name first, and then so yes, Gulshan Group, even with other players coming in, I think there is a space for everyone, as you mentioned, in the market. You were mentioning, Yukti, about positioning of Gulshan Group. Now another segment that you are going in is branded residences.
Yes.
Tell us about that. How is it happening?
So just a few moments ago, I was telling you that we have not done anything to position Gulshan as to
Right.
where it is. The journey, the destiny has taken us here. And with the much that we could understand of the market dynamics, we could see that this is the next leap in luxury. Now, what do you what do you seek when you have everything? That was the question that we were asking ourselves and the customers. That what do you want when you have everything? You'll notice that it's very difficult to gift somebody to a friend of yours who owns all the fancy things. It's very difficult to think what it is that we can get for them. So this was the same bubble sort of we were also in, and that's when our I'm going to share something very personal, but I think it is very important to be shared here. The reason we are coming up with branded residences is because my mother wants to live in a hotel.
Okay.
And she says, I'm done with taking care of the house. I'm done with maintaining everything. And this is something that she's been saying for the last decade. Obviously, we know that building a hotel is not a piece of cake. It's not as easy as it looks. And so we'd been like shutting her off for the longest time. The interesting shift that happened is that now my customers are saying the same thing. That this is great, but can we get someone to manage this also? We're like, yes, we can. And that's where we started researching that what is the next thing that's happening in luxury. We researched a lot of Dubai, we researched a lot of South Indian market. And we were able to see that this is a new concept that's picking up where a hospitality partner brands with a developer. So the experience of real estate comes from the developer, and the experience of hospitality and rather pampering of the customer comes from the hotel brand. And what we are essentially trying to do is marry the two. So we'll do what we are expert in. We'll let another expert do what they are expert in, which is taking care of us. And together what we see is the next big thing in luxury is that convenience is at the helm of everything. Now, how many times have you gone to a 5-star hotel and not wanted to check out at 12? How many times has that happened with you? Now imagine you never have to check out. This is your home. You leave for work, you come back, your housekeeping is done, your laundry is set, and most likely your meal prep is also done.
You have a concierge
Well, concierge I think is now something that even the premium housing or the new coming affordable buildings have also started having, because I mean, concierge and services is what we are headed towards. Now this takes it to the next level. This takes it that the housekeepers that are walking into your house know the right fragrance you would want on your pillow before you go to bed, and it will be there. That is the level of luxury we are trying to provide, and I'm very excited to bring this product.
Fantastic.
And just next week we're about to speak at the Branded Residences conference. So this is going to be the next chapter of Gulshan's journey.
And
as you can see, my eyes are already sparkling. I'm so excited.
So when can we expect this to come to life, this project?
So we are at the final negotiations with the brand. If I had it my way, तो इस नवरात्रा में हम announce कर देंगे. We're still working towards that, but I'll be able to give you a more definitive date maybe later.
We look forward to that.
Yes, please stay tuned.
Yes, please stay tuned for what's next coming from Gulshan Group. But like you rightly mentioned that hospitality is something we are seeing in a lot of other segments.
Yeah.
Now we have offices. Offices में लोगों को hotel वाला experience चाहिए. Residential, as you mentioned, people want that hotel, like 5-star hotel experience. Everything should be taken care of. Now, in terms of the entire sector, Deepak ji, I would like to ask you, a lot of policy changes have been done. Government is saying we have reduced the land prices now. You wanted that. We have brought down the GST also now. अभी और क्या चाहिए आप लोगों को?
May I answer that? Single window clearance, please.
Yes, I'm sure there are still a lot of challenges which are there, which need to be addressed. So that's exactly my question. How do you see, first of all, these kind of policy changes for the real estate sector? What more can be done?
See, there is a list, endless list of things which are already done by this government. We must appreciate that.
Of course.
And we have come a long way. Things are going technology based, so the time is being reduced in terms of approvals. Compliances has become a challenge, but we are adopting to that. Most of the developers are adopting to it. As Gulshan, we are a mostly compliant organization on all spheres of life and all spheres of business processes. So, lot is done, but still lot to be done. What we are looking out for is this single window clearance system. multiplicity of organizations we have to take approvals from. So every organization take their own sweet time. So if we keep adding that time, so real estate is a capital intensive industry. So you put in a capital, you buy the land, and then you stand in queue for literally minimum 1 year to 2 to 3 years. I'm talking across India for getting all the approvals before you can start marketing. At the same time, we welcome RERA, which has really provided more transparency, more trust, more credibility into the market.
A lot of regulation.
Yes. So it is much better. So the market is becoming mature. We welcome that. So the customer also understand this. And earlier there was a trust deficit. Now that trust is being built again. So the credibility is coming back into the market. Very good positive aspect of it. So similarly, we say that cost of fund. Since real estate has not been provided an industry status, so the same financial institution will charge us more cost of deploying the same fund than the same financial institution giving funds to a manufacturing organization or to a industry organization, which is labeled as industry. So we say, why step-brotherly treatment with the real estate?
And when real estate is considered the second largest employer.
After agriculture, we are the second largest employer. And we say we're also contributing to the national building. So we need to be acknowledged. We say don't give us any preferential treatment, but don't put us into a differential segment also. Keep it at par. Keep the developing community, who's the national builder, who's contributing to the economy of the country, at par with other industries, and benefit whatever accrued, like latest is GST.
Right.
So we developers don't wish to keep it in our pocket. We love to pass it on to our consumers, so that we want more consumers to come, more customers to come. Let's make this real estate affordable. But it is difficult. Why? Because the land prices are increasing, the regulations are increasing, and cost of fund is high. So these are the few difficulties. Though in many areas, especially latest UP, the good thing is there is a very positive pragmatic change in building bylaws. So everybody is gaga about it, and we welcome government's decision of bringing very, very pragmatic building bylaws for the entire state of UP. Similar thing we appreciate should happen across India.
The country.
In many states, the approval process is going 100% online,
Yeah.
technology enabled. It has started happening in few places in UP also. We are welcoming this change, and we appreciate it should be adopted at the earliest. So these are the few things we really admire, we appreciate, and we are thankful to the government for taking that initiative. Infrastructure development is such a big game changer in real estate industry. We welcome that. At the same time, we say the ease of doing business. If we can cut down of approval times, you know, and in North India there is a typical problem, especially in Delhi NCR. हर सर्दी में 2 महीने कंस्ट्रक्शन बंद बिकॉज ऑफ द पोल्यूशन. पूरी इंडस्ट्री चल रही है, पूरा हिंदुस्तान चल रहा है, पूरा एनसीआर चल रहा है, सिर्फ कंस्ट्रक्शन बंद. क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन ही पोल्यूशन करती है? आवर रिक्वेस्ट टू द इंडस्ट्री एंड टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज दैट किसी भी इंडस्ट्री को 2 महीने बंद कर दोगे तो इंडस्ट्री खत्म हो जाती है. रियल एस्टेट का सोचो, रियल एस्टेट 2 महीने अगर सर्दी में बंद कर देंगे तो कंज्यूमर का क्या होगा? समय पे घर कैसे बनेंगे, कैसे डिलीवरी होगी? And they are killing the organizations. So we need to find out alternative sources of reducing pollution, at the same time allowing developers to continue to work in those premium times when there is abundance of labor. The weather is good, people can really work and produce, and then the pollution sets in because of the reasons we've known to all of us. And the only first thing is the ban is on construction by the pollution department.
The interesting thing here is that had we been given any benefits for that time when you were shutting the industry, I think we are all in for the support. We also want to contribute to not letting the pollution rise into our noses. But the thing is, we are not giving any leverages.
No, but if you were saying that we are conducting a study, we have seen that pollution causing issues are not only construction but others also.
Supreme Court just passed a judgment that we have to evaluate, and I mean,
That
think
stubble
by
burning
far
in Haryana that
Yeah.
has been considered the
Yeah.
main culprit because of what it happens during
Yes.
these months only.
So interestingly, to come back, lot positivity has been done by the government, but still more needs to be done for more better real estate, more mature real estate, just to reduce the development timelines
Right.
by shortening the approval timelines. And developers, as per se, we are all adopting to new technologies, aluminium formwork construction practices, with which the timeline is further reduced. So that our endeavor and thought process wish list is that we should be able to hand over the key of the real estate asset to the consumer at the earliest. So this is what we expect.
Yukti, you would like to add something?
Yes.
Like government has been, favorable with policies and all, but there are still, as Deepak ji said,
There's a long way to
still
go.
lot more things to be done. Online सब कुछ क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? Ease of doing business.
इसका
as you
आंसर भी हम
mentioned.
सबको पता है, लेकिन हम बोल नहीं सकते.
नहीं होने जा रहा है कई जगह
But
पे
I
जगह
remember
हो रहा
that
है,
time,
but
during COVID,
हाँ.
I remember जब हम लोग for Dynasty only we were seeking clearances. It used to be a 15-minute video call with the authority, just 15 minutes, and it's done. जैसे ही कोविड का लॉकडाउन हटा, अब दोबारा से 15-15 दिन की लाइनें लग रही हैं ऑफिस के बाहर. So see, we understand the process and we want to go by it. In no way is me or DK sir or any other developer of the country is going to say that nahi aapne zyada rules bana diye, we don't want to follow them. We want to, but be a little reasonable.
Correct.
The only thing we ask for, just be a little reasonable. We are capital intensive. Why do we have the harshest punishments when it comes to penalties, but not the nicest leverages when it comes to shutting down the industry? That's my only question. अगर आप 2 महीने के लिए NGT बंद करो, फिर 2 महीने के लिए मुझे पेनल्टी से भी तो छोड़ो. Then do that. Cannot be this way also and that way also. हर जगह से मत खींचो.
Correct. So real estate is one of the biggest economic pillars of Indian real estate,
It
biggest contributor to the GDP of the country, and it has been a very resilient sector, I must say. चाहे कोविड आया या कोई
We have become-
natural disasters आया.
we have become very tough.
We
Yes.
become thick-skinned.
So it has been a very resilient sector, and as Yukti rightly said, that this sector not only needs, yes, if someone is I think all developers want to give timely delivery.
Definitely.
Because everyone is a businessman at the end of the day. They want to run their businesses, they want to give timely delivery. They need support, ease of doing business, as Mr. Deepak Kapoor said, from the government. And as Yukti said, that do give us harshest of penalties, but also give us best
Nice
of the
leverages,
incentives,
yeah.
so that we can keep on track. Fantastic. I think that sums up upon what the industry needs from the sector. The sector, actually, we are not an industry as yet.
Yes.
So real estate sector needs from the government. But coming from the consumer point of view, Yukti, how has the home buyers' attitude towards real estate, towards, as Deepak ji said, there is trust has come back, confidence has come back. Abhi buyers may. How are you seeing the consumer preferences changing? Like you mentioned, now they want, the luxury home buyer wants hospitality features. So how has the customer
Evolved.
preferences, evolution, journey has come to?
So I joined this company in 2013, and at that time, premium housing was the hero, and that's what we saw everywhere, right? After a few years of research, we realized that there is a demand for bigger spaces, for larger spaces. But why is nobody doing that? Because every time a developer tries to bring something out of the blue, something innovative, experimental rather, the market shuts back. Like, nahi, we don't trust you. What has happened in the past few years, essentially COVID at the helm of it, is that fear has kind of gone. I'm not sure why, but I would constitute that to the deliveries that have happened, to the the filtering of the players that has happened. All the good ones stayed.
Correct.
All the not so authentic ones kind of wiped off with the GST and the RERA implications that happened in 2016. after all of these regulations took place, धीरे धीरे करके in the next 3, 4, 5 years, fear धीरे धीरे करके हटा. Only from 2021 were we able to have a dialogue with the consumer. कि अब हमें ये चाहिए, आप बना के दो. So at your event the other day, I was saying just that एक समय था कि नहीं हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आप लोग अपने घर में बैठो. To now the consumer is like, अरे हमें ये चाहिए, आप बनाओ तो सही, हम पीछे खड़े हैं आपके. That is the shift we have experienced essentially with the customers of Gulshan at least. It's another thing that I mentioned at your event that जो हमारे कस्टमर्स गुलशन की कोठी वाले थे, जो ईस्ट दिल्ली में घर खरीद के रहते थे, आज वही हमारे कस्टमर्स गुलशन डायनेस्टी के अपार्टमेंट्स में रह रहे हैं. So they have also grown with us along with the years, and now, like DK sir just mentioned, we are very well penetrated with our end consumer. Our dialogue, our biggest strength is our dialogue with the customer. They are able to tell us what they want, and we are able to deliver. It is a synergy which is unheard of, and it is so rare to see in real estate market, and that is essentially what our USP is. That is what our strength is, and that is why I say that Gulshan did not position itself, its customers positioned Gulshan to where it is today.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's a two-way dialogue.
It's a two-way dialogue. It's a dialogue.
Yeah,
it's a
a
communication. We are deeply with them, and हम उनके घरों में घुसे हैं, वो हमारे घरों में घुसे हैं. And DK sir will back me up on that. I think we've attended all our customers' बच्चों की शादीज, and we've been to all of their dinners and all of their houses, and they have invited us.
Wow.
So we have that kind
This
of
is
connect,
something
and we
unheard
are
of.
blessed for that. Why do we have that? Because GN sir even today answers the call of the customer who bought with him 30 years ago and has his name saved with the first name and their apartment number or कोठी number for that matter. Like अमित जी 214 आनंद विहार लिखा हुआ है उनके फोन में आज तक. Another incident I'll share is that अभी कुछ साल, I think 1-2 साल पहले, he got a text message from an unknown number that I have shifted to so and so building that you had created 20 years ago. We are having some struggle with the plumbing and we just need the drawings so that my architect can work on it. And हमने हर जगह try कर लिया, हमें drawings नहीं मिल रही, we don't know what to do. So that guy must have texted by chance कि देख लिया तो देख लिया, मेरा शायद काम हो जाएगा. The next text in that chat is of the next morning, less than 20 hours later, that sir, thank you so much, your team was here and my problem was solved. That is the kind of connect we keep with our customers, and I am still learning from both of them, from DK sir and GN sir, how they've kept that connect with them. I still have a long way to go, but I definitely have large shoes to fill.
Right.
Yeah.
You've been in the industry, we were talking 30 years, 3 decades almost, you've been in the sector. So how have you seen, like you mentioned, and there is no better marketing than referrals.
Yeah.
If it is a customer referral, there can be no better marketing, and Gulshan seems to be the best example of that.
We have enjoyed throughout. The referral is very strong when it comes to Gulshan Sale and Purchase, and I am saying with confidence that we are a blessed community at Gulshan, that all the customers, they say with confidence to their relative, in case you want to invest and buy a property, come, I will take you to their Gulshan sales team and buy that property. And कोई issue आएगा, I will get it resolved. So that is my customer speaking on my behalf. I am not speaking. So we feel this is the proudest moment for us, that if the customers have this kind of trust with us. And इसके पीछे भी the philosophy is very simple. We say that अगर हमारी बनी प्रॉपर्टी में कोई इशू है तो हमसे जल्दी, हमसे अच्छा और हमसे लो कॉस्ट में उसको कौन ठीक कर सकता है? तो why should I not help you because you have spent all your earnings into my property.
Right.
आपने अपना एक बसेरा बनाया है, एक लिविंग अबॉर्ड है आपकी, पूरी जिंदगी कमाई लगा के आप मेरी प्रॉपर्टी में रह रहे हो, तो उसमें मेरा कितना तो ध्यान देना बनता है कि किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी में कोई भी हल्की सी भी तकलीफ है तो गुलशन इज स्टैंडिंग देयर. सो दिस इज द फिलॉसफी बीइंग क्रिएटेड बाय गुलशन जी, and we are carrying it forward, that legacy, because this is what we started 30 years ago. After sale service was unheard in real estate, even today.
True.
So but we say that our after sale service is very strongest. It may take some time, but it will definitely happen, because every process takes some sweet time. So ये नहीं हो गया आपने फोन किया तो अभी हो जाएगा, अभी होने वाला तो वो भी हो जाएगा, but आपने फोन किया, have some
बट
patience.
एटलीस्ट कस्टमर्स को वो कॉन्फिडेंस है
हाँ,
कि
that
मैंने
it will be
contact
resolved.
किया तो
Within
हो
that given
जाएगा.
time span वो हो जाता है, and mostly हो जाता है. We stand committed in this.
What about
This is only virtue with which the customer having a wonderful trust in
What
us.
about price appreciation your customers have seen? जो आज उन्होंने 30 साल पहले लिया, उनको कितना फायदा हुआ?
काफी फायदा है.
What is the percentage?
Percentage, I would tell you that usually पहले मार्केट्स में हम बोलते थे कि 3 से 5 साल में आपके पैसे डबल होंगे. कईयों के हुए. अभी भी स्टेबल मार्केट में भी if the customers invest into Gulshan properties, so उनके पैसे 3 से 5 साल में if not double then 60 to 80% तो हो जाती है. ग्रोथ मिलती है. ये ऑर्गेनिक ग्रोथ है, मिलती है, बिकॉज वी हैव ए डिलीवरी ट्रैक
Quality of the
डिलीवरी ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड. एंड अभी आपको मैं लाइव एग्जांपल दूंगा लेटेस्ट that our latest delivery is Gulshan Dynasty, and that is the talk of the town. Why? Because that is the utmost luxury we have delivered as on date. And वो delivery के बाद भी when we started it, this product was price X. Today the resale market is 2X.
4x, sir. 4x.
नहीं 2X.
3.5 to be precise.
Wow. She has done
3.5 to be
her
precise.
study.
3, sir, we put it in the CAV, we know it.
Fantastic. That is what I wanted to understand. If you buy in a quality project, everyone buys property for appreciation. And if it is a quality project, the appreciation would be even better than probably any other
Yeah.
project.
And besides quality, our mantra goes beyond that. Quality, sustainability, and latest is green building.
Yep.
Gulshan Dynasty is a platinum rated green building.
IGBC certified.
Yeah.
So this is where we have collaborated, ventured out कि सिर्फ क्वालिटी से जब तक काम चलता था क्वालिटी देते थे, बट नाउ क्वालिटी के साथ में सस्टेनेबिलिटी भी देनी है एंड साथ में ग्रीन बिल्डिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है, सो दैट वी वांट टू बी कार्बन न्यूट्रल, aligning with the government's target of producing
emissions.
less.
Because that is the future.
Have
In
to be.
future, every building will have to be green
Yes.
compliant, and plus the operational efficiency cost, operational cost for the buyers will go down with this.
Yeah.
Now, let me wrap up this conversation with my last question on the wish list is from Deepak ji. I would want to know some forward-looking statements from both of you in terms of Delhi NCR. How do you see the future of property market in Noida and Greater Noida in next 5 to 10 years?
Always good, forever good. I say not only Noida and Greater Noida because I'm operating here. My recommendation would be that if you have spare funds, always invest in RERA registered, organized, standard properties. You will always be flourishing. You will always be having a capital appreciation with passage of time.
Correct.
So in coming 5 to 10 years also, you will find wonderful developments happening, and Noida has just unleashed because of lot of infrastructure developments. So next 5 to 10 years are Noida, Great Noida and Yamuna Expressway. So
Fantastic.
anybody wants to invest, this is a wonderful market to be there. And that is the reason you see many players are jumping in, stepping in and
Yep.
coming into this market.
Yeah, like we spoke earlier. So if someone wants to invest for long term, Noida, Greater Noida, Yamuna
Yamuna
Expressway
is
is
the
the
place
place
to
to invest. Yukti, for Gulshan, what's your outlook for next 5 to 10 years? How do you see Gulshan panning up in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, I do see Gulshan as being a national name, not only pertaining to the likes of Delhi NCR. And by that, I don't mean expanding left, right, and center, not at all. I do mean that our products will get not only national but international recognition. That is how I see Gulshan. I also see Gulshan synonymous with luxury in the next 5 years. अभी तक हमने सिर्फ एक ही लग्जरी डिलीवरी करी है. आई थिंक अगले 5 साल में वी विल प्रूव टू दिस मार्केट all over the country that we are here and we are here to stay, and we know what we are doing.
Okay, fantastic. So in next 5 to 10 years, Gulshan will be the name synonymous with luxury real estate, and hopefully we are going to see you in many other
Of
cities
course,
as well very
of course.
soon, and we are waiting for that announcement to happen very soon as well. So thank you so much, Deepak ji. Thank you so much, Yukti, for those very thoughtful perspectives about how the sector is going, how the real estate market is going, and what the buyer should look forward to from Gulshan and otherwise as well from the property market. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you
you
for
very
having us. It's always fun interacting with you,
Yes,
Sapna.
same here. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, Yukti.